I'm Jeremy Marley. I'm the program coordinator here at ISU in the College of Technology for IT Systems. ITS is a 2-year program that when you finish, you graduate with an Associate of Applied Science towards your IT education. The curriculum is really geared towards obtaining certifications in cybersecurity in different operating systems like Linux or Windows, and in networking. Our lab experience involves multiple server environments where our students work with virtualized operating systems, as well as with all the different hardware and components that they might use, including data center technology and all of the network equipment that they might be willing to implement with, as well as networking, cabling, and subsidiary fields that kind of fall in place with that as well. What sets us apart here at ISU is that we really focus on bringing instructors in from industry. Those industry-based instructors really give the full potential to the students, as well as their experience in the field helps to develop a better rounded technician coming out of the program. There is a high demand in the industry, especially at the fundamental level. So those who are coming through our program, getting that 2 years of experience, this really allows them that opportunity to step right out into the field and work towards their further career in education. If you have an interest in technology, in information systems, in working with computers, or supporting businesses and their internal infrastructure, then this program at ISU is the program for you.